Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy. This is SincerelyCindiSettle. I have a Wantable. I keep saying I'm not going to do Wantable anymore, but here I am. What can I say? So you guys have been using my credit down below. So if you guys are interested in trying Wantable for the first time, there is a referral link down below. I appreciate those of you that have already used my link. So I do have some credits to use. So thank you very much for using that referral link. So hence why I am here doing a Wantable. So I've gotten everything out. I've got it hung up. First impressions are not fantastic. I am excited about the shorts that I have here. So we will see how this goes. I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, here we have outfit number one. All right, so we have the long sleeve, lightweight, very soft waffle knit type of top. It does have this tie here that goes into like a keyhole, I guess, if you will. I'm not a huge fan of it like this. I prefer, I prefer it open. This just, I just don't care for that look. It does have the little crisscross knot thing right there in the front, which I think I would prefer that it not have that it was just a regular hemline. I do like the collar a lot. I don't have this collar in my closet at all, but I'm not sure that it's going to be a keeper because of this. And I'm going to go ahead and do something different. I'm going to go ahead and talk about the prices while I talk about the items. So I'll put the price down below and I'm going to talk about it, and I won't talk about it at the end. We're going to shake it up a little bit. Hold on. So I wanted to get a little bit closer just so you could see the texture and the color of this piece. Again, it's very lightweight. It's very comfortable. It would be perfect for an evening in the summer, like at the beach or something like that. Let me show you what this looks like untied. See, I prefer it that way. I like that look a little bit better. It almost looks like a hoodie without the hood. It does have a cuff here on the sleeve. Very cute, very comfortable. I'm just not crazy about this right here. So the price of this sweater, it's by Democracy, and this is a long Blouson sleeve scoop notch in H Ocean Teal. It is $64. So then we have the shorts. These are by Vigoss. These are shorts that actually I requested. There is a stream on Wantable. If you have not done Wantable before, there's a stream that you can go to and you can request specific items in the stream. Sometimes they will end up in your box, sometimes they won't. So these were in my stream. I do like Vigoss shorts. These are a good lighter wash denim, and they do have some, some pretty significant distressing there with the hemline, as well as some holes throughout. They are your general 5-pocket jean. The fit is really good. No complaints up here with the fit. The hemline is nice. It's different for me. As my girl said, it does meet the fingertip rule, so I can wear it to school. Not really, but, and then there's the back. So let's talk about the price of these. These are again by Vigoss. They are the Frayed high-waisted denim short in medium wash. They are $58. So these may be a contender. I do like the shorts. I don't have really anything like them in my closet right now. All right. Next line. All right, next top. I do just have one of the same shorts, but this is a navy top. It is like this Swiss dot type look to it. It does have a cute little flutter sleeve ruffle thing going on. It is a rounded neck. There is elastic up here, and then you have non-functioning buttons going down the center. This is navy. It is a little bit looser fitting, which I like. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see the Swiss dot detail. So you can see it's got some gathering here at the neckline, giving it that pleated type of look. You can see the Swiss dot and the collar and the ruffle there on the sleeves. The sleeve does have a little bit of elastic there, not too tight though. Not sure that I'm crazy about this. I think I did request this one. I am in need of a navy dressier top, but I'm not sure that this one's it. So let me know what you guys think, though. As usual, I like your all's opinion on how to wear these items and what looks good. This is the Ruffle button-up peasant top in navy by Coin 1804. It is $54, and it was an item that I requested. Okay, this will be the last shirt with these shorts. So you have a black and white floral. Very cute, very pretty. It's very comfortable and very soft. Not sure if I'm loving it. Of course, it's going to depend on the price. I mean, it is just very basic, but it is very cute and gives a little bit of summery vibe with the floral print. But it is just a t-shirt. So let me get a little closer. I'll show you the details. So you can see you have a black and white and gray floral crew neck, just a basic t-shirt, basic sleeves, nothing special about any of that. The fit's good, it just kind of goes over everything. And this shirt is by Simply Threads, and it is $45. So that's probably going to be a no. It's just $45 for a t-shirt. No, I don't think so. All right, we have 2 more items. Okay, so I was wrong. We have 3 more items. I forgot about the bag. So we have a cute little crossbody. It is, I think what they're calling this is like a pocket wristlet or something like that. But it's not really a wristlet because it doesn't come unattached from the strap. So maybe I got that wrong. But anyway, it is very teeny tiny. It is very cute, and I love the collar. It is a zipper pouch here. Zipper pouch. And there is one zipper pouch on the outside as well. I will get a little closer. Very pretty collar, very simple. You do have this pocket here in the back, which I do like having a pocket on the outside of a bag. It's a good place for keys or for your phone. Of course, in this little bag, you're not going to get much more in it anyway. This would be great for something like an amusement park or something like that where you don't need to carry a whole lot. But it does have a couple of different compartments in here to separate things. It has a two small zipper pockets and then 2 sectioned pockets as well. So it's very cute. I'm looking for something bigger, but I do kind of like this. It's very similar to a light collared one that I have from Target, except it has the pocket on the outside. So let's see how much this is. The bag is by Joy Susan. It is a Kate crossbody wristlet in pistachio. It is $43. So I don't know that that will be a keeper. It's very cute though. All right, let's talk about the shirt. So very cute, off-white top, can be dressed up, dressed down. I think it looks cute with these shorts. It is lacy up here at the top. It does have buttons here. It looks like they are functioning buttons, but I'm not having any problem with any gaping or anything like that at the top. The lace does go around to the back. Let's go ahead and do a turnaround, and then we'll talk about the price, and I'll get a little bit closer too. I do have a front tuck. It is a little bit longer, which is nice. It's just a comfortable length. You can still see the shorts underneath it if you wear it out. So here you can see some of the details. It does have a little split neck here with buttons going down halfway down the front. And then you have lace detail all the way around. A little bit of a cap sleeve. Not sure I'm crazy about the cap sleeve. I feel like it needs to be just a tad bit longer. And then let's look at the back, and you have the lace detail back there as well. All right, so this one is by Rainn, which is kind of what I figured. This is kind of his signature look. It is the lace knit top in white. It is $68. So I'm not sure that this is going to be a keeper for me. I do like it. I just don't know that I love it. And I just kept a white top from Wantable, from my last Wantable. So this one's a little fancier, has a little bit more detail on it. But the other one I like just as well. And maybe even a little bit better because I could wear it with leggings as the seasons change. And I need to wear something a little bit warmer. So let's talk about the shorts. So these are also by Vigoss. I like the wash of these. I like the kind of faded black. I like the minimal distressing, but just a little bit of distressing. I like the hemline. I'm not sure about the fit and how this is right here. I'm going to have to look at that a little bit more and maybe watch the footage to see what I think about that. But I feel like the fit is good. They are very comfortable. I don't have anything like this in my closet. So these might be a contender too. These are by Vigoss. They are the Ace High Rise Short in Washed Black. They are $58. So, a lot of good choices. I'm not as pleased with this box as I was the last one, but I'm okay with it nonetheless. So let me grab a couple things and let's decide what I'm going to keep, what I might send back. I need your all's feedback on that, what looks good, what doesn't, what's worth the price, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm considering the purse, and I'm considering these Vigoss shorts, as well as the grayish black Vigoss shorts. I think I would get equal wear out of both of these. You can pretty much wear either one of them with anything over the summer. They both fit well. They're both about the same price. One is $58. Yeah, they're both $58. The bag is very similar to one I already own, but I don't have anything in this color, so maybe. So let me know what you guys think. What really looked great? What was your favorite item? Which item should I completely take off the list of potential items? And let me know what you guys think. I love hearing from you guys. And if you have not liked and subscribed, I hope that you will do that and share my videos with your friends. I love having your support. Thank you so much. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle, and I am signing out. Mwah.